In this video, I'll show you how to set up and navigate the built-in analytics features in Base44 to track your app's performance. Let's get started. I'll begin by opening my existing project, Nexus Core, from the dashboard. Once the editor loads, I'm navigating to the Dashboard tab at the top of the interface to access the data insights. On the left-hand sidebar, I click on Analytics, which opens up the traffic overview. Here, I can see a high-level summary of engagement. I'll click the date filter to change my view from yesterday to today, which updates the graph to show current activity. As I scroll down, the platform provides a detailed breakdown of user data, including the specific pages being visited, the country of origin, like the Philippines shown here, and the operating systems my visitors are using. Now I want to track a specific user action, so I'll click the Add Event button. This opens the AI-powered event creation panel. I can choose from suggested prompts or describe a custom action. I'm selecting Monitor Productivity Goal Completion Rates to track how users interact with my app's core features. After I click it, the AI assistant processes the request and automatically begins writing the necessary logic for the goal entity and the home page. Base44 then generates a goal tracking UI on the home page, complete with analytics events that fire whenever a goal is reached. This setup includes a live completion rate and total goals count, all visible right here in my built-in analytics dashboard. My custom event is now integrated and ready to collect data. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.